given up riding or anything. Lost him already. Oh, there we are. You want to try it?
I stalled out back there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if we go this way, it's a lot easier. If we go that way, it's sand and some of this, and
yeah, it's hard to put in shift my weight around with this thing.
yeah. Oh, it's a big bike to be playing in this stuff.
Yeah,
that's for sure. It gets easier. Well, easier than that.
Yeah, just a sand hill climb.
Yeah, oh, that's a nothing.
Well, yeah, I've seen some of your videos for.
Yeah, no, I have fun. That's usually our practice hill climb to get us into shape real quick.
Oh.
Are you going to be able to get up here no problem?
Up shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, okay.
I don't think.
It goes down a little bit, then there's a little bit of a dip for a river crossing, like almost no water.
Yeah.
Most of the trail is like this.
Oh, let's check it out.
All right, cool. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. That is a disadvantage of having an aftermarket ECU. Is it doesn't prime the fuel pump, so it takes a bit to get the grill going. Anyway, as I was saying, I've been spending more time on my 690, and I'm getting really soft when it comes to riding dirt. I've cut my speed in less than half. I'm scared to do hill climbs that I wouldn't even think twice of doing. Days of riding dirt are nice change, because riding streets can get pretty boring. You can only go so fast for so long before you get caught. And I would rather not get caught, because I need my driver's license for my job. So losing my license really isn't an option. So I really got to be careful when I'm on my 690. That's why you don't see too many videos of me on that in the street, because just sit back and watch. Yeah, they get kind of